let's take a look at this gourmet popcorn. These gourmet popcorn are by a company called the Crunch Box, the closest thing to pure love in a box. It comes in this tin. These are manufactured in India. These are made by the Amazon company in New Delhi. You can buy 3 of these in a box for 300 rupees or around $6 or so. This is a warm caramel crunch. Never seen a popcorn sold in a tin, so let's taste it. That's how the caramel popcorn looks. So let's taste it. You get quite a bit of caramel on each popcorn. There is a little bit of salt in there too, which makes the caramel taste even better. And it tastes really fresh for packaged popcorn. And you can reuse these tins once you finish the popcorn. Quite nice. Check it out.